Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a story on Facebook. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on your story. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top of your story. Now select Delete Photo. Now you can tap on Delete to permanently delete your story. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.